thriving in an AI-integrated workplace.
Artificial intelligence is reshaping how we work. Adapting to this new reality means building the right skills. Let's explore the top 5 essential abilities that will help you succeed, collaborate, and grow as AI becomes central to the modern workplace.
Skill 1. Digital literacy and data fluency.
Understanding AI and data basics is crucial. You don't have to be a programmer, but knowing how AI tools work, their opportunities, and their limits sets you apart. Familiarity with data, how to interpret, use, and question it, will empower you to make smarter, data-driven decisions every day.
Skill 2. Adaptability and lifelong learning.
AI evolves rapidly, and so must you. The most successful professionals embrace change, regularly update their skills, and learn new tools. Being open to continuous learning helps you keep pace with innovations and ensures your skills remain relevant.
Skill 3. Critical thinking and problem solving.
AI can handle information, but you bring context and judgment. Evaluating AI outputs, questioning assumptions, and solving complex challenges are uniquely human strengths. These skills ensure you make informed decisions and use AI responsibly.
Skill 4. Creativity and innovation.
Creativity remains a vital asset. While AI can generate ideas, humans excel at connecting the dots in new ways. Cultivating your creativity will help you design better solutions, imagine new products, and drive innovation alongside AI technologies.
Skill 5. Collaboration and emotional intelligence.
Human interaction is more valuable than ever. Working alongside both AI and people, strong communication, empathy, and teamwork skills set you apart. Emotional intelligence helps you build relationships, manage change, and foster a positive workplace culture.
Building your future with AI.
Mastering these essential skills ensures you're prepared for an AI-driven future. By focusing on digital literacy, adaptability, critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, you'll not only thrive in changing workplaces, you'll help shape the future of work itself.